Tenakoto akutawira. In today's video lesson, we're going to be talking about how to use the regression line equation to make a prediction. So for starters, your prediction must be in between the beginning of the data and the end of the data. You're doing a prediction in between two given values, which is known as an interpolation. So making a prediction requires using the equation of the regression line for the sulfates versus pH. The equation of the regression line is 0.32881 times the sulfates plus 3.5662, and that came right from the regression line equation. Now, what this number here means, the negative 0.32, because it's negative, that is also showing us we've got a negative association. And this means as the sulfate level goes up by 1, the pH goes down by 0.32881. So we're going to replace the sulfates with a value not already found in the data set. I'm going to choose a sulfate level of 1 because, as we can see, there is no data for a sulfate level of 1. Could have chosen 1.4. 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, but nothing beyond 2 because we simply don't know how the data will behave. As I said, placing sulfates with 1, and now following bed mass. Multiplication before addition, negative 0.32 times 1, negative 0.32. Add the 0.35662, I get 3.24, rounded to 2 decimal places. So we see from this that a sulfate level of 1 would have a pH level of approximately 3.24, and I am fairly confident in my prediction since the relationship between the variables was moderate. We can see that many of the data points are close to the regression line with a few far away, and this is supported by my R value, negative 0.61599. All right, so that's how we make our prediction using the regression line equation. And if the relationship had been stronger, I would have been more confident in my prediction. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Mauri mahi, mauri ora, kakiteano.